Kesarkar jela kelapan syuk-syuk ki bor pahara ban bin khlanya ga jing pahara ha ki jaga khaput ke jela namar ka jing sinjor ka sinchar khadar bat kasuk kasan hari Bangladesh nolor ka jing persang jung ki breu ban wan prong tu chapok kari India kini ka jing pan bor pahara syuk-syuk ha khaput kalami no menteri rangba ka jela Konrad K Sangma ha ka jing kendo yo menteri kampo ying kari u Amit Shah henne ka skining kong ha New Delhi Yo Menteri Rangba Kejala Lasun Rando Simbut Menteri Rangba Kejala Bakmi Eka Kampo Ying Pak Preston Tinsong. Menteri Rangba Kejala Ula Airu Kejing Batai Kababnia Yo Menteri Kampo Ying Kari Baki BSF Bat Kishipai India Kila Trai Kambha Ban Pet Permani Kijaga Kaput Nalor Ki Purit Kejala Mikhalia Ru Kumju. Menteri Rangba Upente Bo Menteri Kampo Ying Kari Ula Krenshai Baka Sarkar India Kanum Ailat Nesha Satya Yakinu Kinu Kibriu Bagi Nuan Jam na Silyang Put Bagi La Shimru Ya Baro Kisin Jam Ban Pinti Kena Bagi Kaput Kindei Ki Bala Pahra Bha Kanang Baka Num Dan Kejingarung Ya Mi Ha Kaput
Along with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, to review the overall situation at the border area, keeping in mind the current situation that the country of Bangladesh is going through. In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces. And at the same time, the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone. We reiterated to the Honorable Home Minister that we should not allow at this point in time any individuals to cross the border, as the matter is very, very sensitive, and in detail discussions were done on that matter, and the Home Minister has further stated in the meeting that the Government of India is not going to allow any individual to cross over, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the border is securely guarded so that no movement takes place across the border. Apart from that, we have also urged the Government of India through the Honorable Home Minister that if necessary, more manpower can be provided along the border areas so that the security can be reinforced. And to that, the Honorable Home Minister said he will examine the scenario and the situation and take necessary actions if necessary.